In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT plugins and browsing beta. If you want ChatGPT to provide more current and relevant information, using web search features can make a big difference. This is especially helpful when you're researching recent news, comparing products, checking live information, or looking for topics that change over time. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the necessary settings and use web search during your conversations. To get started, open ChatGPT in your web browser. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. This is where you'll find your account options along with the settings that allow you to customize how ChatGPT works. Next, click on Settings to open the configuration menu. Inside the settings window, select Personalization. This section contains several options that control features available for your account. From there, click on Advanced to access additional capabilities. Within the Advanced menu, locate the web search option and turn it on. Enabling this feature allows ChatGPT to search the web whenever it's appropriate for your request. This is especially useful when you need current information, such as breaking news, product research, live events, or topics that are constantly changing. After you've enabled web search, return to your conversation screen. In the chat area, click the plus button to open the available tools and options. Next, click More, and then select Web Search from the list. Choosing this option lets ChatGPT know that you'd like it to use online information during the current conversation. Now you're ready to enter your prompt. You can ask about today's trending topics, recent news, current product comparisons, or the latest developments in a particular subject. Web search works best when your request depends on up-to-date information rather than general knowledge. For the best results, make your prompts as specific as possible. Instead of asking a broad question, clearly describe what you want ChatGPT to find, compare, or summarize. Detailed prompts usually produce more focused and useful responses, making it easier to get the information you're looking for. If you're using the results for work, school, or business, take a moment to review the sources and details that ChatGPT provides. Web search is a valuable research tool, but it's always a good practice to verify important information before relying on it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to enable ChatGPT web search and use browsing features during a conversation. Once everything is set up, you can quickly access more current information whenever your questions require it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,